Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the game activity on Discord. So just go to your Discord example account and you'll have then to go to settings. You should find this example here at the bottom left. Go and click on the user settings and this should open this area. So here, you can just go and scroll down and click on activity and privacy and you'll be able to disable those in here. So share your detected activity with other. Discord will automatically update your status when you're attending a public stage, an example, or when you're playing a game or something like that. And share your activity status by default when joining it like large servers. So the settings allows you to control how you share your activity status by default when you join a new server with over 200 members. And of course, you can also allow friends to join your game and allow voice channel participants to join your game. So if you don't want anybody to know what you are playing, you can just go and turn off those. And if you don't want even your friends to join you, you can also turn this off. Of course, other options that might be related to activity, but not an example to this video. So let me just go and type it correctly first. So activity. As you can see, you'll have here some contents and social. You'll be able to go and remove activity join in, like allow user to join your activity in the server. Also an example here for, okay, this is like useless. And in here, basically, this is just a status. So yeah, that's how you basically do it. So thank you for watching and goodbye.